So as you know, I just recently got back from Kenya, Africa, which is an absolutely amazing trip and was described in my previous video. But now, today, we are going to be unboxing my 3-piece spoiler for the DATSUN Z, and I bought this off of a guy located in San Diego off the Hybrid Z forum, which I will link it in the description in case any of you are wondering and wanting to purchase something like that. But otherwise, let's just get right into it. Alright, so to start, we're going to take this first box, which this contains the corner pieces of my wing, considering it's 3 pieces. So these are the outer 2 pieces, and this is the longer one. But we'll start with the corners. So, take my karambit. I want to be a little careful, just so I don't cut anything. This is as well my first time seeing it, because, you know, gotta wait for you guys so you can get my initial reaction. So, we'll be seeing this for the first time together. So he does a good job at packing it. Here are the, let's see, there's some bolts that will be used, hex nuts. And we got some cap screws. It's useful. I'm glad that he supplies the hardware for it. It's very useful. Oh, here we go. First corner. Oh yeah. So he does an amazing job at packing all this stuff, so that's really appreciated. Wow. This is amazing. I cannot wait till this is on my Z. As you can see, it's pretty aggressive. Corner piece here. Wow. This is beautiful, dude. Much appreciated off of this guy. This is amazing. Great quality. So if you're looking for a 3-piece spoiler, definitely hit him up. We'll take out the other piece. Oh yeah. Comes in a matte black finish, so just in case you were wondering, it's very nice. I'm going to be getting this paint matched to the color of my car though, so it'll all be the same. But regardless, it comes in some like really good quality, and it's amazing. So if you're ever looking to buy 3-piece spoiler, definitely hit this guy up. I will link it in the description below. Alright. Make sure nothing's in this box. Perfect. So overall, so far, it's looking really good. Everything's packaged extremely well, which is much appreciated. It all came with all the hardware and everything, so I'd give this a rating so far, probably a 10 out of 10. I appreciate this guy very much. We'll move on to the middle section of the wing. Alright, so obviously the corner pieces are really nice. We're going to move on to the middle section of the spoiler. Let's get this open. But all the packaging is done extremely well. I haven't seen any like errors in anything whatsoever, which is extremely nice. Let's just make sure and get all of this open. It's a big piece. Be careful of not cutting into any part of the spoiler. That would suck. Might as well just get it all open like this. Alright. I might be able to pull it up now. small piece, all packaged. I'll check in there for any other pieces that might be in there. Don't want to leave anything behind. Get all the bubble wrap off. Save it for my little nephew Jackson, because he loves bubble wrap. Likes to step on it and pop it. Alright, let's just get this plastic off, pull it out, see what it all looks like. Yes. Wow. So this is obviously the back, what you're going to see behind me. And this is the front piece, has the little cutout for the lock on the trunk. Wow. But yeah, even then, still good, great quality, comes in this matte black finish, looks great. I'm overall extremely pleased with how this whole spoiler came out. Here, one of the corner pieces, so you kind of get the gist. Kind of goes together like so. That'll be really nice on the Z. I can't wait for that to get in. But it should come in either today or tomorrow, and I'll definitely be making a video on that as well. And then we can also mock up the spoiler then, so that way you kind of see what it looks like on the car. But until then, you get to see the pieces, how they are now. And I'm extremely excited to get this mounted up and mocked up on the Z. Wow. Overall, amazing quality. I will absolutely be linking him in the description below, in case you would like to purchase one for your own Z. And anyways, that is it, and this concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and please check him out in the link in the description. Wow. Thank you all very much.